let's see this new part. Graphing linear equations in standard form using intercepts. So, guys, whenever we talk about intercepts, let me just quickly draw a straight line, fancy color here. Look at this. This is a straight line. Remember, the vertical axis is y, the horizontal one is x, and I wanted to focus on these 2 points right here. Okay, so actually let me change colors. Now I'm going to do the red one and the blue one. Okay, so the red one is what we call the y-intercept. Why is that? Because this is where my line is intercepting the y-axis. While the other one right here, the blue, it's called the, of course, yes, the x-intercept, because this is where my line is intersecting the x-axis. So these ones are going to be really important, but be careful because there will be some tricks. As usual, this is how mathematics works, and especially when your teachers like to see you like, oh, thinking. That's actually not suffering, it's thinking, guys. And sometimes thinking requires a lot of effort. So I'm going to graph this equation. I'm going to circle it in green. 3x plus 4y equals 12. What do I know? It has to be a straight line like this or like this. I don't know. But it's going to be something like that. It's going to be a straight line for sure. For sure. Okay? So, once we get to that point, I'm going to draw a coordinate plane with its corresponding intervals, right? And this is what we're going to get, guys. The first thing I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to find out the y-intercept and the x-intercept of this line. How do I find them? I want you to notice something important. In the y-intercept, what is the x value? No matter where it is, I'm going to do some others. No matter where you are in here, guys, can you see that the x value is 0? Yes. And how about the x-intercept? No matter where it is located, how about the y value of any point located on the x-axis? Yes, you're right. Y equals 0. And based on that, that is why it's so easy to graph this kind of equations in standard form, because I understand this. Look at that. Look at the equation. I'm going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. How? Well, now I know. Okay, and I'm going to write it down here because I want you to pay special attention to this process. So let's begin finding the y-intercept. What do I know about the y-intercept? That x equals 0. So I'm going to take this x equals 0 and I'm going to substitute it here. So it means that we get this. 3 times 0 plus 4 multiplied by y, because I don't know it yet, equals 12. And I solve for y. 3 times 0, this is gone. So we get 4y equals 12. And that's it. Y equals, remember, 4. We divide by 4 on both sides, and we will get 3. So the coordinates of the y-intercept for this line are 0, 3. And I'm going to plot it. Let's use a different color this time. This. So it's going to be right here at 0, 3. Okay. Now, what else do we have? Well, I'm going to erase everything on your left because I need some space, right? Some room. So let's erase everything here. Now we're going to find, the x-intercept. What do I know about the x-intercept? And pardon me because I erased that, but look at this. Let's now find the x-intercept. If you paid attention, what do I know about the x-intercept? That the y value is 0, and I'm going to use the equation again. 3x plus 4y equals 12. But this time, I'm going to do it the other way around. 3x plus, we already know what y is. It is 0. So this is gone. Just wait for a moment. This is gone. So we have 3x equals 12. And divided by 3, we get x equals 4. So in this case, we already know where the x-intercept is. It is located at 4, 0. Let's find it here. It's located right here. Once you have plotted 2 points of a line, you can now draw it. And we are done graphing a linear equation in standard form using the intercept.